Samsung's Galaxy FE phones have had a tricky time recently trying to justify their existence. The basic concept is to have a phone that offers more of the features than the affordable A series, while also coming in cheaper than the main line of phones. This is the position the upcoming Galaxy S24 FE finds itself in. According to Ross Young, the S24 FE will be available in 5 colors: grey, black, yellow, light blue, and light green. It has a fair amount of ground to cover to make it appealing to customers. So far, the device looks to have a 3-camera layout as well as an increased screen size to 6.5 inches, making it larger than the base Galaxy S24. It also appears that the phone will come with a USB-C port and measure around 162 x 77.3 x 8 mm, which makes it slightly larger than the Galaxy S23 FE, which measures 158 x 76.5 x 8.2 meters. Galaxy S24 FE may come with the same processor as the flagship Galaxy S24. That would mean a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in North America and an Exynos 2400 in other regions. This would be the first time that Samsung has run an FE model with the same chip as the current mainline series. Also the Galaxy S24 FE could come with 12GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. The biggest rumor that we have heard about the Galaxy S24 FE could come with the same 50 megapixel main camera we saw on the Galaxy S23. While we don't know what the other cameras will be, it is reasonable to assume that they will be very similar to the other camera on the Galaxy S23, meaning a 12 megapixel ultra-wide f2.2, 10 megapixel telephoto f2.4 with 3x optical zoom. It has been hinted that the Galaxy S24 FE could come with a $4,500 mAh battery rather than the $4,000 mAh battery we saw on the Galaxy S23 FE. This will surely translate into a longer lifespan, though we'll have to wait to test it to find out how much.